Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Cook Point Barrow, Chesapeake Bay from Gould Island